It is a useful solution for those who want to quickly input products that the symbols are known into the system. Just enter product symbols and amounts successively line after line. To accept the list entered, press Upload. A symbol prompting mechanism has been launched in the line-by-line option. Regardless of whether you are entering TME symbol, a customer symbol, or manufacturer's marking, the system facilitates the search for the right product and showing a list of products corresponding to inputted text. Upon entering the list of products, a summary will appear on the screen in which you can verify the correctness of the line entered. If you incorrectly inputted a line, a message will be displayed indicating the type of error. You must correct the wrong line and then accept the changes by pressing Enter or the diskette icon located at the end of the corrected row.